Chef Fede, Chef of Expression, back with another one buffet. Today we're making a pasta. It's a beef pasta. I have here my penne. So the penne is already cooked. We can put it on the side for now. I have my beef here, which is rump steak buffet too. Chopped it in like a centimeter cubes, right? I have my mushrooms, I have my peppers, I have my garlic, finely chopped onion. I have my rosemary and some onions. I'll tell you later, spring onions. I have my spring onions. I have a bay leaf. I have oregano, paprika. I have my number one spice, 6 guns. I have some chicken spice here. I have some beef stock, black pepper, cumin and coriander dried. Yeah, I have I think here, it's a tomato paste. You can use any tomato that you want, buffet to tomato paste. I have my butter and I have my olive oil. So my pan, it's hot already, buffet too. We go. The first thing is to brown this, right? Put my olive oil in there. Yeah, buffet to use cooking oil, use palm oil, use any oil that you have, right? So now I'm browning my beef. Yes, it sizzle. It has to sizzle. If it doesn't sizzle, buffet, you're not browning. You are cooking. Two different things from browning, you boiling. You have to, you see, it's hot. Turn it down a bit. So now we can cook our spices, right? All of them same time. Your dry herbs and spices, all of them same time, right? Next, there you go. Next up, pour your butter in there and boil all of this same time, right? You can leave out your spring onion actually because it's to finish up. But everything same time. Because remember, we don't want to overcook our beef. Unless you want it well done, if you want it well done, you are welcome to cook it for longer, right? You can even while you're doing your beef, you can do your beef, then you can make your sauce on the side. So that let's say maybe you want your beef medium rare or whatever, you can just cha it, then do your sauce on the side. But for now, I'm doing it in one pot, right? Smells nice, but it smells like a curry. It's because of the cumin and the coriander plus my bay leaf, right? So, what's next? Let me hold my fire on. I want to cook this in less than 5 minutes. It doesn't look like I'm going to cook it in less than 5 minutes anyway. But I'll try. I told the guys that I work with to time me. But I'm not sure that I'm going to do it in less than 5 minutes. So I'm almost done actually. My taste, I need some salt. I need some pepper. So guys, remember there was a lady who asked me on Facebook. She asked me, but chef, you never give us like a detailed recipe, like maybe your ingredients. You never say, oh, it's a spoon of water. The reason why I don't do that is because I'm cooking for me, and now you're cooking for you. So there's no reason for me to give you that. You can just do it the way when you want it to be. So I'm just telling you, I'm putting this on. So if you don't like whatever, you can omit one thing, or you can put the little one thing, or you can even increase the other things, right? So after today, the thing is already done. Let me taste, final taste. Yeah, some salt and pepper. Let me put some water in there just to make it loose because it's too thick. I actually forgot to put water. It's a bit thicker. Remember, it's a pasta sauce, right? It has to be light. So if we have maybe already made, let's say your beef stock, like your watery beef stock or whatever, or your chicken stock, or even your fish stock, whatever stock you have, you can pour it in here instead of water, so that it gives your thingy a little bit flavor, more flavorish and more depth, right? I think I'm done. Okay, so we have our thing here. I put in my pasta. In there. The pasta is already cooked. Buffet. You cook it the way you want it to cook, or cook it to the packet. Whatever the packet say you should cook it like. Pour your sauce in there. Right? Take your thing in there. Use your parmesan if you want to use parmesan, buffet. So I don't want to use parmesan today. Use some parmesan if you see a need to, right? Pour in some parmesan in there. Okay. Get a pan, man. Yeah, no, I'm lying. The parmesan is needed here. Parmesan is needed. Some parmesan there. Let me see what am I gonna garnish with. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this one is a bit dead. Buffet. Exceed. We done cooking buffet too. Like, share, subscribe. You guys are watching but you're not subscribing, buffet. To subscribe, like and share, buffet. To share with your family, your enemies, your friend, everybody, buffet. Exceed. Chef of Expressions out.